Hey guys, we're back out in the lawn today. Super nice weather. Take a look. Super nice weather out today. The yard's looking really good. The grass is greening up. We've got some tulips starting to do their thing. So I'm really feeling like spring is starting to spring. Wanted to come out here today and check our soil temperatures. Talked about in one of our videos that I'll link above about putting down your prodiamine. You're going to want to put that down when it's right at 55 degrees, right around there, because that's when your weeds will start to germinate. So I wanted to go ahead and do a video to check the soil temperatures. Hopefully we're getting close. I don't want to miss the mark and end up with a bunch of weeds. So let's check it out here. 1 second. So hopefully you guys can see that. Looks like we're right around 46, 47 degrees. So 46, 47 degrees. Looking at our forecast over the next week, we're supposed to be getting up into the 60s and have a little bit of rain here in southern Illinois. So my guess is by the end of next week, we'll probably be right at the sweet spot that we need to be putting down our prodiamine and keeping the weeds that we all hate away. So just wanted to give you guys an update on soil temperatures. Again, 55 degrees is where I'm looking at. I'll link below to the thermometer that I use and also the prodiamine that I'm going to be putting down, granular kind. So until next time guys, talk to you later.